Jai Srimannarayana. 17th sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Uttamaha Purushastvanyah Paramatmeti Udahritah Yo Lokatrayam Avisya Bibharti Avyaya Isvaraha. Om. Realize this fact and always remember this fact that Sri Krishna Paramatma is higher than you, higher than all the souls, higher than all the realized souls. Not only that, because of Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are sustaining. Entire world is sustaining. And because of Sri Krishna Paramatma only, all these three worlds sustaining. Remember this fact and be grateful to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Be humble to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Be loyal to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall always remember this fact that you are higher than everything and all these three worlds including me sustaining because of you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadravasanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 305th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "Ho Parikshin Narendra, Kaliya's wives prayed Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then Krishna Paramatma he blessed, and then Visasarja he released Kaliya. By then, with the Tandavam of Krishna Paramatma's feet, with the strokes of Krishna Paramatma's feet, Kaliya's head's hoods were broke into pieces, and he got fainted. Such Kaliya was released by Sri Krishna Paramatma. After that, Pratilabdha Indriya Pranaha, slowly he recovered and he came into conscious. Then Kruchrat Samuchvasan Dinaha Krishnam Praha Krutanjalihi. With so much of trouble, slowly Kaliya started breathing, and he was so down, and he folded his hands and now praying to Krishna Paramatma like this: "Hey Bhagavan, by birth we are cruel. Malakalu ma pracharamulu, ma mukhamul vishavahni ghoramul, khalulamu రోషజాతులము గర్వులము మేమొక మంచివారమే నలినదలాక్ష." O Krishna, the one who has beautiful divine wide eyes. O Krishna, our characters are so curved characters, cruel characters. The way we walk is curved walk, and the way we wander, it is curved, and our mouths are filled up with so much of poison. We are cruel, we are bad, we are arrogant. Our jati itself, the race itself is arrogant. Oh Krishna, how can we become so good? Svabhavo dustyajo nadha lokanam yat asadgraha. Oh Krishna, in this Srishti, in the Srishti that you have done, every living being has his own, their own natural, hectic nature. So it is impossible to get rid of that natural instincts. Oh Krishna, even then, you have blessed me, you did such a great favor to me. Like that, Kaliya praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 15th chapter, 17th sloka. Uttamah purushastvanyaha paramatmeti udahritaha yo lokatrayamavishya bibharti avyaya isvaraha. Uttamah purushastvanyaha paramatmeti udahritaha yo lokatrayamavishya bibharti avyaya isvaraha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.